Good morning. It is Thursday, February 19th today, and it is a very exciting day because I am heading to Tasmania. My boyfriend and I are doing a trail run down there on Saturday, which I'm sure I'll talk about a little bit more during this video, but it's something I've been working towards for quite a while now, and it's for a really great cause that we both care a lot about, so we're really excited for that. Tonight we'll just be camping down there on our own, and then tomorrow we'll make our way to the race venue where we'll be camping with all the other runners tomorrow night. So that should be really, really fun. I am really looking forward to it. I've been down to Tassie 3 times before and I've always had the most amazing time down there. It's just such a beautiful place and I'm really, really excited to be heading back with my partner. Right now I need to make some breakfast because I have to leave in about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna make something nice and carby. I've been saving this last bagel for this morning. I went for an almond butter and jam combination this morning. Heavy on the jam because we are carb loading out here. Up our hire car. Gonna go get some lunch? Yeah, gonna go get some lunch. No, there's a few people in it. Just got into our campsite for the night and it's so cute. I'll show you guys. Good morning, happy Friday. We camped at such a cute little campground last night, about an hour out of Launceston by a little creek, and now we're just going for a little walk to try and find the waterfalls if we can get there in time. Thought that I would explain a little bit more about the run that we came here to do. Both Henry and I are running Takayna Trail, which is an event held in northwest Tasmania each year in an area known as Takayna, or the Takayna Rainforest. Takayna is Australia's largest temperate rainforest and one of the last temperate rainforests on Earth. It's a remarkable place filled with ancient trees, important Indigenous cultural sites, and many endangered and endemic species. Unfortunately, Takayna is under serious threat from logging, mining, and deforestation. We're both running 22 kilometres through this ancient rainforest to raise awareness and funds to help achieve permanent protection for Takayna. Lunchtime. Making some soup, having some snacks. It's a very orange lunch. It's about 1:30 now and we're just packing up camp before we head to Waratah, which is where the race HQ is being held. So very, very exciting. We're going to head there, set up camp, meet some other runners, and then tonight I think there is a big dinner and maybe a film or some guest speakers or something. I'm not too sure, but very, very excited. Wow. We found Layla and Paige and Henry's here.
Insane.
Looks so good. Good morning. Today is the big day. I look absolutely crazy right now. I'm gonna get dressed and go Go grab a coffee. Got my coffee. This is so hot. It's almost time. How are you feeling, Henry?
I'm okay. I feel like I've got a new wave of energy.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
That's good. I'm feeling nervous. We got about 20 minutes till we have to get a bus to the start line. It is 9:40 and we're starting at 10:30, so still a little bit of time to go. We should probably go do our warm-ups.
Yeah.
Seven kilometers done! Not much running happening. Oh, 0.23 kilometers. Got like 10k to go. Usually my longest ever run. Good job, Henry. Yeah. How are you feeling? Tired. You did so well. Lunchtime. Hi guys. It's about 6:30 now. Sorry, I haven't really vlogged much this afternoon because I have been very tired. The run went well. It was a lot harder than I expected. The first like 3 kilometers was a lot more ducking and weaving and dodging than running. We had a couple of stream crossings in there, got very wet feet, and by about 15k, I think we were really feeling it. Had very sore legs by the end, but we did it. We got through. Feeling very proud, and we've kind of just been hanging out since then. Went for a little swim in the creek here, which was nice. Gonna go grab some dinner in a little bit, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Real pretty.
Like a puppet on touch the dirt.
Same as your breakfast.
Oh, it's a little bit different. Cute. Bye, Layla. Bye. Safe travels.
Bye.
Hey guys, it's a few days later now. I never got around to filming an outro because we got back to Melbourne at about 12:30 in the morning, and as I'm sure you can imagine, I was absolutely wrecked. But if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. It really was such an incredible weekend, not only running my first half marathon, which is something I've been working towards for quite some time, but doing it in such a magical place with my partner and for a cause that I care a lot about is something that I'm sure I'll remember for many years to come. The whole weekend was so well organised and really well run by all of the volunteers involved. They kept us so well fed and entertained throughout the whole weekend, and yeah, it was just a really wonderful experience. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. I will definitely be coming out with some more videos soon. Thanks, bye.